Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to be taking you through New Zealand US dollar as the Kiwi continues to strengthen, but is it going to strengthen much further, or are we going to start to see a little bit of a relief to the rally? Well, I think that we're going to start potentially seeing a little bit of a relief personally, just because of the amount that price has moved over the last few weeks. So this is a weekly chart. We came into the 0 spot 56.50 handle, or even the 0 spot 56 handle down here, and price reversed. Now price has currently from the low moved 690 pips on this pullback, which is fairly significant, which leads me to believe that maybe this sort of move isn't a retracement phase of this downward trend. In fact, it makes me think that we're going to see a little bit of a move down and maybe even a continuation to the upside now, especially now the dollar's starting to weaken quite significantly. However, we are at this resistance point. We're at the 0 spot 6200. You can see looking left, that's a significant area of resistance. Even if I go to the daily time frame, you can see that significant area here where price has found support and resistance on many times, and price has currently retested it, and we're starting to see a little bit of selling pressure. So what can we look at in terms of where price could go? What could we expect price to achieve? Well, in the bigger picture scale of things, the price is bullish. You know, we are technically pushing back to the upside here. We're in the midst of a rally due to the fact that the dollar is weakening significantly. The New Zealand dollar is one of the strongest currencies at the moment, and that has caused the price to find this bottom down through here, find this consolidation, change trend, form those higher highs, and then continue to push to the upside through here. Now, like I said, we're back at this resistance level. That may give the opportunity for traders that are long on Kiwi dollar the opportunity to profit take, and what that could lead to is a move back down to a significant area of support or resistance. So what I'm looking at here is the potential for price to pull back down into the 0 spot 6 handle, where it could then find support for a continuation back to the 0 spot 62, and then obviously if price then trades through that, there could even be an option for price to trade even further to the upside with other support and resistance levels coming into effect there. So again, what could we look for? Well, if the price is going to push to the downside, I would expect some kind of lower time frame change of trend, and if we don't get this lower time frame change in trend, then it would signal that price is more likely going to continue to push to the upside. But you can see here again, very strong push, our previous lows coming down through here, but what I really want to see is some kind of formation happen at this 0 spot 62 handle. Now what that could be is if price drives to it, comes back, drives again, and then we get this kind of head and shoulders pattern, that would be ideal to suggest then that price could start to pull back to the 0 spot 6 handle, where you have this horizontal support and this trend line confluence there that could then see price drive to the upside. Alternatively, we could look for one of my favorite patterns, which is the double top pattern. If price comes in, drives into it again, forms an equal high, comes down, breaks the low, that is one of my favorite trading patterns, and that to me would be significant in order to start looking for price to trade back to the 0 spot 6 handle as well. Now, like I said, the only reason why I think price could come back to the 0 spot 6 handle is just because of where we are on that weekly time frame. Technically, we are in a downward trend. It doesn't mean price is going to continue the trend, but what it could mean is that there could be some profit taken around this area for a slight relief rally, relief to the rally before seeing the continued reversal setup potentially. You know, obviously we don't know what's going to happen in the future, but what we could just predict right now is that price is at resistance, is at that point where we could see sellers come back in. So if we're at that point, it doesn't make sense to continue to be a buyer right now because we're at the resistance level. Instead, what it will pay for us to do is do nothing, okay? Wait for then price to form either a reversal setup or even a continuation setup, and then look to continue the move. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If it does, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I will speak to you in the next trading video. Thank you.